I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. This is the place where I prepare healthy, tasty, and budget-friendly recipes. So if you're looking for something like that, hit the subscribe button and I'll share recipes every week. Today we're going to make Mediterranean style chickpea stew. For that we're gonna need 2 cups chickpeas, kale, cilantro, Fresno pepper, 1 tomato, olives, carrots, couple of garlic cloves, salt and pepper of course, and bay leaf. That's it. Add about 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, garlic, and carrots. If you want to add onions, this will be a good time. Cook on medium-low heat for about 2-3 minutes. I like to use fresh tomatoes in this dish, but if you don't have any fresh ones, you can use canned. Time for chickpeas and about 1 cup of water. You can add any olives, green or black. I like to cut them in half so that you get salty bites with every spoonful. I'm using Italian kale, but you can use any kale or even spinach if you want. I'm using cilantro, but parsley will be good as well. Chickpeas are cooking for about 25 minutes and they look good. Let's season with salt. Time for kale. After we add kale, it takes a few minutes to wilt them down. If you're using spinach, it will take even less. Final step, fresh herbs, and the chickpea stew is ready to be served. I am so excited to taste it because I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day other than my 1 glass of yogurt. So it's 3:30 p.m. already. All right, let's taste it. I want to have everything in one bite: chickpeas, olives, tomatoes, and kale. I need to do happy dance. So good. I love it. I absolutely love it, guys. You have to make it. Chickpeas are creamy and soft and they absorb flavors from olives and tomatoes and kale. It has a little bite from Fresno peppers and they're cooked perfectly. I forgot to tell you, I cooked about 30 to 40 minutes. And if you see that they need more liquid, you can always add more water or more tomatoes. That will be fine. Also, I didn't add onions because I didn't want onion in my dish, but you can definitely add onions when you start cooking. In the beginning, onion, garlic, carrots, and so on. And if you want protein in your dish, you can add sausage. Start with sausage, onion, garlic. I think it will be perfect in this dish too. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you make it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.